Okay, gonna make another video here. This time I'm shooting in aspect ratio of a 23 2.39 to 1. More of a cinematic aspect ratio here. Trying this out with the Filmic Pro. Doing this at 1080p resolution. So I'll try this out. Got my exposure and white balance locked here so they can't change. Let's walk up this way. Again, let me take a view of the stage area from here before I go around. This is the current stage here, which will be replaced by the new stage in the coming 2022. It's to be completed by 2023 January is the plan. Back over here, AZ88, and here's the music playing from their sound system there. Walking around this way, I'm going to head in general back towards my car here. This is just sort of a test video. Nice gentle rainy day here in Arizona, which is, you don't get to see that often, but it happens. I'll walk back across the behind the stage more or less here. Colorful flowers over here. As well. Look at the photography. Maybe I'll just walk around this way. We're headed this way anyway. Still learning how to use this app with the DJI Osmo 3, DJI Osmo 3. So nice pleasant day. I like these kind of rainy days. Nice gentle rain. Very nice. Nice cool weather. I'll be turning back south here. This area here. Center Library right there, straight ahead. Go back over here by the Love Sculpture, which is destined to be removed from the area for storage till it's brought back. It'll be one of the artworks that will return here, along with the Drinkwater statue and the Winfield Scott statue. Take a frontal look at the Love statue. The sculpture, whatever it is. I don't know if I'd call it sculpture really, but artwork construct anyway. don't fall down the steps over here. There's a rough sculpture. Do my cinematic third here. Something like that. Down here to the parking structure. Let's take a moment to put all this stuff away here. There's a plaque on the Civic Center Mall area. Gives you a little bit of some details on people involved with it. Of course, Herb Drinkwater, 1986. And here's the one of the construction signs was out here. I believe there's 3 or 4. One of them blew down in a windstorm. Last Saturday we had a really nice little monsoon blow in the mid-afternoon. Blew the sign down. So I'm going to end this right here. Go home, do some editing, see what's what. Learn a little bit more about my